Do you have books that you want to sell online but don't know where to start? Well, you're in the right place. We're going to discuss several popular platforms where you can transform your books into cash. So, buckle up and let's get started. First on the list is the giant of online marketplaces, Amazon. Amazon is a behemoth in the world of online sales, and it has a dedicated section for selling books. Whether they are new or used, you can list your books as a third-party seller on Amazon's platform and tap into their vast customer base. Next up, we have eBay. This well-known e-commerce platform allows you to sell a wide range of items, including books. Here, you have the freedom to create listings for your books and set your own prices. Third on our list is ebook. This platform specializes in books, collectibles, and rare editions. If you have a unique book or a rare edition, ebook can connect you with a global audience that shares your love for books. Then, there's Bookfinder. This website aggregates listings from various online booksellers, including both major marketplaces and independent sellers. By listing your books on these platforms, they can appear on Bookfinder's search results, increasing your book's visibility. Our fifth option is Bookscouter. This website and app help you compare buyback prices from different book buying websites, allowing you to get the best price for your used books. Simply search for your book's ISBN and you'll see which sites offer the best prices. Next, we have Etsy. While primarily known for handmade and vintage items, Etsy also has a thriving book section. If you have unique, vintage or collectible books, Etsy could be the perfect place for you to list them. Moving on, there's Facebook Marketplace. This platform allows you to sell various items, including books, directly to local buyers. If you prefer local sales and in-person transactions, Facebook Marketplace could be the perfect fit for you. Finally, we have Craigslist. This online classifieds platform allows you to list your books for sale. While it's primarily used for local sales, you can also ship books if you're comfortable with it. Remember, when using these platforms, make sure you understand their terms, fees, and policies before listing your books. Take high-quality photos, write detailed descriptions, and price your books competitively to attract potential buyers. So, whether you're downsizing your library or simply looking to make some extra cash, there are plenty of platforms available to help you sell your books online. Happy selling!